Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to fix hair in Picsart. Fixing hair in Picsart can significantly enhance your images whether you are editing stray strands, adding volume, or creating a sleek look. In order to go ahead and fix your hair on an image, open up your Picsart application. Tap the See All Plus button at the top left and then from your camera roll, select an image that you want to edit. You can also choose an image from any other sources. Once you are done, you will be inside the editing page. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Tools option. From the menu popping up, click on Clone. Click on the brush icon at the bottom left and then increase or decrease the size. Adjust the brush size in order to match the hair strands width. Make sure to drag the little white dot right or left in order to select your brush size. Now click on the circle at the bottom left again and then tap on a smooth area of the hair and then clone over other parts you want to fix. Go ahead and use small strokes and brush around your hair. If you make any kind of a mistake, click on the undo button at the top left right next to cancel. Brush around the area that you want to smoothen out and you will need to use small strokes for better blending. After you are done, click on the Apply button at the top right and click on the Retouch option at the bottom. From the Retouch menu, click on Smooth. Now you can also auto-enable the smooth mode by clicking on Auto at the bottom left, or this will happen automatically soon after you get to this page. Increase the intensity of your smoothness by dragging the little white dot left or right. Now click on the manual option to manually smoothen out your hair strands. Select the size of the brush by moving the size panel, and once you do that, brush around the area on your image and you will be able to smoothen out the hair strands just like that. Also make sure to increase or decrease the opacity level using the panel at the bottom right under size. Choose the hardness of your brush by decreasing or increasing the hardness panel. Simply use the brush and brush it around your image. The smoothening tool will help you blend the cloned area with the surrounding hair for a natural look. Once you are satisfied, click on the Apply button at the top right and go ahead and click on Next at the top right corner. Export your photo like you normally do, and there you have it. That is how you can easily fix hair in Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.